friends! Today we're going to draw a super cute cat together, step by step. Let's begin with a big round head. Nice and smooth. Now we'll add 2 pointy ears on top, one on each side. Next, draw 2 big oval eyes. Leave room inside. We'll add fun details later. Now let's draw a tiny triangle nose in the middle and a happy little smile underneath. Time to draw the body, a small round shape that connects to the head. Not too big, not too small. Let's add 4 little legs, 2 in front, 2 in back. Just short and chubby, like a baby kitten. Now curve a fluffy tail to the side. Add 3 whiskers on each side of the face, long and thin. Let's fill in the eyes now. Color them black, but leave a little white spot to show the light reflection. That's what makes your cat look alive and sparkly. Now for the fun part, color your cat. I'm using a mix of yellow and orange to make a soft golden kitty. But you can choose any color you like.